Hello, today we will guide you through how to calculate lot size on TradeLocker. In this walkthrough, we'll use the SPX 500 chart and the built-in tools so the platform calculates a position size that matches your risk. Lot size simply means how big your trade is. Getting it right matters because your size, combined with where you place your stop loss, determines how much you could lose if the market moves against you. Start by opening the SPX 500 chart. You should see the live price on screen. With the chart loaded, select the long position tool. This is the visual tool that overlays entry, stop loss, and take profit on the chart, and it's what TradeLocker uses to compute your position size in real time. After selecting it, click once on the chart to place the tool. You'll see colored boxes marking the potential profit and risk areas around your entry level. Look to the right edge of the chart for a small up arrow. Click that to expand the position settings panel. This panel controls how the tool calculates your size. Next, open the risk section. Here you can set how much you are willing to risk on the trade, often as a fixed cash amount or a percentage of your account. Enter a value that fits your plan. This tells TradeLocker the maximum loss you'll accept, which is the key input for the calculation. Now click on stop loss to enable it and make it active. On the chart, drag the stop level to the price where your idea would be proven wrong. The distance between your entry and stop is what the platform uses, along with your risk amount, to compute the lot size. A tighter stop will increase the calculated size. A wider stop will reduce it. Take a moment to confirm the stop sits at a logical, technical level rather than an arbitrary distance. Click on Take Profit and turn it on as well. Drag the Take Profit level to your target. While Take Profit doesn't affect the lot size, it helps you see the reward to risk ratio and keeps your plan visible on the chart. As you adjust risk, stop losses, and take profit, watch the position size or quantity field update automatically in the panel. That number is your calculated lot size for this setup. Before you move on, double check that the instrument, price scale, and units match your broker's contract specifications and that the currency for risk is correct. Small mismatches can lead to unexpected results. That's it. By placing the long position tool, opening the panel, setting your risk, and enabling stop loss and take profit, TradeLocker does the math and delivers a precise lot size aligned with your plan.